So guys, in this video I want to show you how to use viral traffic sources to get clicks to whatever product that you want to promote. So to find a product, the first thing you're going to do is head over to clickbank.com, and it's free to join, and you don't have to go through any requirements, etc. But I will mention that ClickBank is not available in certain countries. So if you are unable to get registered on ClickBank due to whatever reason, then I suggest you use another affiliate marketplace such as digistore.com. So anyways, once you're in ClickBank, you just head over to the marketplace, and as you can see on the left hand side, you have different categories. So in this example, I was just thinking of promoting something which is really starting to get attention on social media, and specifically on the social media platform that I'm going to be telling you about in a moment or so. And let's find a product that involves pets, etc. So let's look for something in the cat niche, right? So who doesn't love to see a cat? So let's look for something where we can actually solve a problem in the cat niche. So let's be more specific and get something like cat training. Let's see what you can find over here. Okay, let's have a look at this product. Brand new cat language Bible. How to finally speak to a cat. That's interesting. So if I open the sales page, let's have a look at the sales page. Just wait for it to load.
He lets out a yelp, as if he's startled.
Pause that. No thanks. Breakthrough Japanese study shows that cats can understand human emotions, even words. You can now learn to communicate directly with a cat and finally understand what they've been trying to tell you all along, and you can tell them exactly how much they mean to you. Okay, this is interesting, guys. This is really interesting. I personally own a cat, and if I had to if someone had to promote this, I would really be interested. And they actually have a sales video, which is good, and they also have text and more text and more text and bonuses, etc. So all the good marketing stuff is on this page. Cool. So I think this is a good product to promote, right? So so if I head over to promote, and I'm just going to generate hop link. So this is the link that we're going to use to promote this product. Cool, right? And this product pays about $16.20. So it's a low entry ticket product, so people aren't really gonna, it's going to be quite easy to sell this product to the right people, and we're going to find the right people, trust me. So the traffic source that I'm talking about, if we head over to, let's see, if we head over to none other than TikTok. So if I search in, say, hashtag oops, sorry about that. Let's see under this account. I just want to see when was this account created. See, so not long. As you can see, this is the furthest I can go down. So if I have to see the first video that this guy has promoted, this video was created on the 1st of the 11th, right? So not long ago, sometime last year at the end of the year. So I just want you to notice that on the first video, this person has drove, or this video has been seen by more than 150,000 people. Do you know how insane that is? You're not going to find it on any other social media platform. As you can see, just look at this video, 1.7 million views, and this account is booming, guys. You know, it's just simple cat videos, right? Interesting videos. And so as you can see, it has generated over 9 million likes. So if you add up all the videos, all the likes on this account, so this is really amazing, guys. So I want you to follow this strategy. It's just to build a simple build a cat an account around cats, right? And what you can do is, for content ideas, you can just head over to places like Instagram. If I just open Instagram, if I just 1 second, let me just pull out Instagram. And if I search, for example, hashtag cats of Instagram, now obviously we want to look for videos, right? So let's filter the search cat videos, right? Now what you want to do is, you want to take these exact same videos and upload them onto your account on TikTok. So you literally don't have to create any videos. But if you do, which I recommend that you do, is you create your own videos and you brand your own videos, and you put your own twist to it. That's fine. But this method of just taking videos from Instagram and uploading on TikTok, that will work just fine. And these videos are proven to work, right? So I mean, who's not gonna watch this, guys? This is really eye-catching to the viewer. It's really gonna stop the scroll on TikTok, and that's the whole point of TikTok, is to stop people from scrolling, which will trigger the algorithm and result in your videos pushed out to more and more people. So just head over here to these 3 dots, and you want to copy the link, and you want to head over to go on Google and just type in Instagram video download or something like that, and you just paste in the link onto the website, and then it's going to generate the video for you, and just download it, and thereafter you can just post it on TikTok. Right, now what you're going to do is, once you've had enough followers, obviously it will take some time, but it's not going to be very long to get followers on TikTok and viewers. So once you reach a good amount of followers, then you will have the option of putting up your affiliate link on the bio. That's the whole idea, guys. So thereafter, you simply just want to take this link, and just generate a hop link. You simply just want to copy this link. Obviously this link looks very ugly, so we just want to shorten it. So for that, just head over to Bitly. Just head over to bitly.com. It's actually going to make this long ugly look a bit prettier, right? So in this method, as you can see, you don't have to spend money on building websites, etc., or funnels. So you simply just go to create and pasting a long link here, and it's going to generate for you a link. Right, so this is the link that you're going to promote. Copy this link, and on your bio you're gonna just paste in this link, and you will be generating tons of traffic, guys. Trust me, just be consistent with this method, and this will work for any niche or any other what you call any other interest of yours. For example, if you like dogs, then if you want to promote dogs, then you can just head over to ClickBank, and one second, if I just head over to ClickBank and I just type in instead of cat, just type in dog training and press search, then you're gonna find products in the dog niche. So it's the same exact method that you want to use. So guys, I'm gonna keep this very short, and I'm gonna end it off here. And but before I do, guys, just make sure to like this video and just leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions, please leave them below. I will make sure to answer them. And also take action, guys. It's very important. And also, if you really want to scale and in depth learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, I'm going to be leaving a link, the first link in the description below, which is an invitation to watch a video from my mentor Dave Sharp, who has helped me using his training to start generating money with affiliate marketing online. So if you're really interested in that, just please check the link out. And without further ado, I'm just gonna